Like my ethnicity is from Inle Lake, so it's a very small area. So like in this election, for in ethnicity we have led twice because we have less. We don't get enough information about the representative, and also the representative I know so they have a relationship with the government. So like we have less chance to choose the represent. So in this elections, the representative is the previous one who also participate. Yeah. So like maybe he will becomes again the represent again. So like in 2010, I don't know who is my represent. And after the election, I asked about this. Oh yeah, this is my represent. That's what I know. And also, the represent person is certain to know what is the real needs of the community, or what is the real needs of the Inle Lake, what the people want, because there's a gap between the represents and the community. So for in ethnicity, I have less chance to choose. So maybe I will pay vote to the other ethnic party like Shan or Paos or NLD.